So if the efficient market hypothesis is true, इसका मतलब है market is efficient. What do you mean by this efficient market hypothesis true? मतलब the market is efficient. Now, as the market is efficient, it is not possible to beat the market. अब ये उन्होंने कौन सा फॉर्म है मेंशन नहीं किया है, सेमी स्ट्रॉन्ग वीक फॉर्म सेमी स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉर्म वो मेंशन नहीं किया. बट वी हैड सीन दैट इन द लेक्चर, इफ द मार्केट इज वीक फॉर्म एफिशिएंट, टेक्निकल इज यूजलेस. If the market is semi-strong form efficient, technical and fundamental is useless. And if the market is strong form efficient, everything is useless. Technical, fundamental and insider information is useless. तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने मेंशन नहीं किया, तो as of now we'll just mention that it is not possible to beat the market. Okay, so इसमें B option was straight away the answer, because as we just said right now, that as the market is efficient, the market is unbeatable. It is not possible to find out the cheaper shares and buy them, and it is not possible to find out the expensive shares and short sell them, because there are no cheaper and expensive share, because market is efficient. If the market would have been inefficient, if the market would have been imperfect, inefficient, then there would have been cheaper shares which you could have found out using technical, fundamental and insider, and you could have purchased them. There would have been some expensive overpriced shares, again, which you could have found out by doing technical, fundamental, insider, and you could have short sold them. And then you would have made a profit and you would have been able to beat the market, because market was imperfect. It was beatable. But now the market is unbeatable. It is perfect. It's efficient. And because it is perfect, there are no cheaper shares to buy. There are no expensive shares to short sell. So there's no point of doing a security selection. You have to simply passively invest in the market. Copy paste the index. You will not be able to beat the index. So active strategies will work only if the market is inefficient. Passive strategy is the only answer that is possible if the market is efficient. Active strategy works if the market is inefficient. Only in inefficient market, trying to beat the market, active strategies will work. But if the market is efficient, market is not beatable, in that case, only passive strategy will work. So spending more time on security selection was pointless, and hence B was the answer. Obviously, you'll try to minimize the transaction cost, as well as you will try to understand the client risk preferences better. You will try to do a diversification for the client. So that is what you're going to do if you believe that the market is efficient. So you will try. Yeah, I think textbook में mention है, lecture में मैंने बोला था ये part कि if the market is efficient, it is no point to trying to beat the market. There's no point to do active investing, because the market is not beatable. So in that case, you should try to offer better service to the client, try to reduce the transaction cost, try to understand the risk preferences, try to do the diversification. That is what you're going to be doing. So answer of this was B. मतलब ये easy question था. फिर भी मैं देखता हूँ टेक्स्ट बुक में कहाँ पर है, बट फिर भी अगर नहीं भी मिला टेक्स्ट बुक में, फिर भी that in that case also the question was easy, because efficient मतलब perfect, perfect मतलब non beatable. So if the market is non beatable, in that case there are no cheaper shares to buy, there are no expensive shares to sell. So security selection does not make sense at all. फिर भी एक बार quickly just taking you through that. All right, even if the markets are efficient, portfolio managers can adjust above 43.f, can add value by establishing and implementing portfolio risk and return objective, assisting clients with asset allocation, diversification, tax management. ये नहीं मेंशन किया था by reducing transaction cost, but obviously that goes as a portfolio manager. You have to try to give a lot of services to the manager, sorry, lot of services to your client, which also obviously would include reducing the transaction cost. ओके, सो ठीक है, ए वाला एंड सी वाला ऑप्शन को सिलेक्ट करना इट वाज नॉट इजी, बट बी को डायरेक्टली सिलेक्ट किया जा सकता था, बिकॉज द मार्केट्स आर परफेक्ट अनबीटेबल, and hence it is not possible to beat them by selecting the right shares, selecting the cheaper shares and buying them, or selecting the expensive and short selling them. It is not possible because there are no cheaper shares, there are no expensive shares, because market is perfect. All right, so the answer of this was B. Any doubt? Reason, please. All right, no doubt. I would call this not as a difficult question, not as a straightforward question also, because of the option A and the C. Something which you could have managed, but not a cakewalk kind of a question.